Welcome to Psychology and Well-Being. Are you tired of not being able to sleep? Do you struggle to relax and disconnect from the stress of everyday life? If so, this video is for you. In this video, we're going to teach you a simple technique that will help you relax and fall asleep in minutes. Now, let's get started. The technique. The first thing you need to do is find a comfortable position in bed. Close your eyes and start focusing on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, counting to 4. Hold your breath for a moment and then exhale slowly through your mouth, counting to 8. Repeat this cycle for a few minutes until you feel more relaxed. As you breathe, you can visualize a peaceful and relaxing place. It can be a real place, or an imaginary place you've created in your mind. The peaceful place is an imaginary place, but it can be created in the mind of anyone. It is a place where peace and tranquility reign, where there is no noise or stress. The weather is warm and sunny with a gentle breeze that caresses the skin. The sky is blue and clear, and the clouds are white and fluffy. El suelo está cubierto de hierba verde y fresca, con flores de colores que perfuman el aire. There are tall and leafy trees that provide shade and freshness. On the horizon, you can see a calm lake with crystal clear waters that reflect the sky. Fish swim peacefully and birds sing merrily. In the peaceful place, there is no one else but you. You are alone in peace and tranquility. You can relax and let your thoughts flow freely. Perceive the smell of freshly cut grass or the aroma of flowers. Listen, the sound of the wind rustling through the leaves of the trees or the singing of the birds. Feel the sensation of the breeze on your skin or the warmth of the sun on your face. Savor the taste of a fresh fruit. Remember, your imagination is the limit. You can create the peaceful place that you like the most, a place that makes you feel happy and peaceful. As you relax, you may start to feel pleasant sensations in your body. You may feel your muscles relaxing or your mind clearing. Let these sensations wash over you and enjoy the feeling of peace and tranquility. If you struggle to fall asleep, you can repeat this technique before going to bed. It will help you relax and prepare for a good night's rest. Thank you for taking this relaxing journey with us. Sweet dreams. Thanks for being here.